The focus of this video is to provide a comprehensive guide on recovering permanently deleted files from iCloud, emphasizing the restoration of recently deleted iCloud files on Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Part 1. Is it possible to recover permanently deleted files from iCloud? Recovering permanently deleted iCloud files is usually impossible. Deleted files go to recently deleted for about 30 days. After that, they're permanently removed, and recovery is not possible. Part 2. Recover permanently deleted files from iCloud with Doctor for iOS. Instead of relying on iCloud's recovery window, consider using software like Mobican Doctor for iOS. It efficiently recovers deleted files directly from your iCloud account, offering a more flexible and reliable solution. How to recover deleted iCloud files via Mobican Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Opt for the Recover from iCloud mode. Step 2. Scan deleted files on iCloud. Step 3. Recover permanently deleted files from iCloud. Part 3. Recover deleted files from iCloud on Mac. Go to iCloud on your Mac, log in, and choose the file category to restore. In Recently Deleted, select desired files and click Recover to restore them to your Mac. Part 4. Restore deleted files from iCloud on iPhone, iPad. On iOS, go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content. Enter Apple ID, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in, select relevant backup, and your files will reappear. Optionally, re-upload to iCloud.